Okay friends, so let's see the next sum in order to your important sum. In this question, this figure is given. In the figure, OACB is a quadrant. This OACB is a quadrant. Quadrant means it is a fourth part of a circle. It is a fourth part of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. Its radius OA is 3.5 centimeter. If OD is equals to 2 centimeter, then find the area of first quadrant OACB. This area of whole quadrant we are going to find out, and area of shaded region means this part which is to be shaded, right? So let's start to find out the area of quadrant. So to find the area of quadrant, अभी हमने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया क्या क्वाड्रेंट इज अ फोर्थ पार्ट ऑफ अ सर्कल. मीन्स दिस क्वाड्रेंट ऑफ द सर्कल subtends 90 degree at the center of the circle. So subtends 90 degree at the center of the circle. Okay, so let's find the solution of this question. So area of quadrant OACB, area of quadrant OACB, for this we have to take the area of sector, and area of sector is pi r square theta upon 360. Therefore area of quadrant OACB, you can write down measure angle BOA or AOB is equals to 90 degree, right? So as each and every information is shown there in the figure. So area of quadrant OACB equals to pi r square theta upon 360, right? So let us substitute all the values. Pi is pi, you can write it, pi is 22 upon 7, r square is 3.5 square, theta is 90 degree upon 360. So 94 is 360, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are, you got now 11 into 3.5 into 3.5 divided by 7 multiplied by 2. So let us simplify, we will get our answer in centimeter square. So 7 5s are 0.5, right? Afterwards we have to simplify it. This can be written as 11 multiplied by 5 upon 10 or 1 multiplied by 35 upon 1 upon 2 into 2 into 10. This 2 was, and this is 1 upon 2 which is 0.5. Let us simplify it now. Again, can you simplify? 5 7s are 35 and 5 2s are 10. So we got our answer 11 7s are 77 upon 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 centimeter square is the answer, means the area of quadrant OACB, right? Now this is the area of this whole quadrant OACB, means fourth part of circle. The question is asking area of second part, area of second region, area of shaded region. So it was the first part. Let us start solving the second part of it. For the second part, area of shaded region we are going to find out. So to find out the area of this shaded region, we need to find the area of this triangle and subtract the area of this triangle from the area of quadrant, right? So area of shaded region is equals to area of shaded region is equals to equals to area of quadrant OACB minus area of this triangle AOD, area of triangle AOD, right? Area of this quadrant we got it, which is 77/8, right? Minus area of triangle. Now let us move on this triangle OAD. So area of this triangle, how to find, as it is right angle? So the general formula to find out the area of triangle is half into base into altitude. So we can write half into base is OE into altitude is OD. So let us find it. 77/8 minus 1/2. Base OA is radius 3.5 and OD is 2. So 2 is cancelled. You got 77/8 minus, this can be written as 7/2. Therefore our answer is to be written 77/8 minus 4 2 8, 4 7 28/8. Therefore we got our answer 77 minus 28. 77 minus 28/8. So let's subtract it. 17 minus 8 is 9. Now 6 minus 2 is 4. 49/8 centimeter square is the area of shaded region. Right friends? So in this you have to be a little bit careful, from which you can get your answer easily. So area of quadrant, first of all, quadrant word came there in coordinate geometry also and here in circle also, but from both the places it has the same meaning. Quadrant means it is a 1/4 part of a circle, and there in the coordinate geometry, quadrant means also the 1/4 part of that two-dimensional figure, right? So from the area of sector we got this area of quadrant, which subtends the 90-degree angle at the center. Therefore pi r square theta upon 360, we got our answer. Area of quadrant OACB is equals to 77/8 centimeter square, and area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle, and we got answer 49/8 centimeter square.